What are the 5 biggest e-commerce challenges in 2020? Challenge number 1. Decrease of online sales due to the pandemic. E-commerce sales have consistently grown over the past few years, but in the first bit of 2021, it saw its first decrease of 3%. It also saw that the majority of online sales were going to the most extensive available sites, which means that smaller site owners have felt this decrease more significantly. And this trend is expected to increase as people step further from the pandemic. To help this, getting an e-commerce business advisor to look at your data, processes, and goals can make a big difference to your bottom line. Working with a firm that does e-commerce accounting, tax planning, and business advisory is beneficial as they'll get to know your business very well and they will assist you every step of the way. Challenge number 2. Buyer priorities have changed. The pandemic has caused numerous changes to consumer behavior that are worth noting. Here are a few examples. People spend more time addressing their mental health with leisure activities. Online shopping will continue to increase. There's an increased priority on long-term value. So now there's this higher need for customer loyalty, which means that smaller businesses must establish their value quickly. Because of this, many small teams specializing in marketing and sales are appearing. These teams can specialize in small areas, responding to changes faster. Challenge number 3. Increased competition due to more e-commerce sellers. An October 2020 survey showed that half of the e-commerce sellers think their competition is very tough. More sellers will become part of this experience as entrepreneurs see online opportunities. At the risk of sounding too obvious, the ultimate solution to this problem is to do better. And you can do this by creating the ultimate online experience. Here are a few ideas that you can take. Create a unique brand with a compelling story that appeals to consumers on a broad basis. Prioritize consumer service in everything you do. Provide fast delivery to outpace your customers. Another great way to start is to thank customers directly by using their first name. E-commerce personalization is a great way to make your customers feel special. Challenge number 4. Increased chance of credit and debit card breaches. Credit card fraud rose by nearly 50% from 2019 levels into 2020. The pandemic saw a significant increase in online shopping, encouraging criminals to increase their efforts. It is necessary to focus on protecting your customers' personal information. You can start by ensuring you have the latest internet protocol. HTTP sites are out of date and unencrypted, so get an SSL certificate to encrypt all data your customers send to you. Challenge number 5. Demand for more seamless purchasing encounters. About 80% of customers research a product online before going in-store to purchase it. The boost to online shopping is a big part of this, as it is far easier for customers to understand data when they aren't bombarded with advertisements and feel pressure to move forward through a line. Optimization is the process of creating the experience most suited to your consumer. It is also important that your online store, payment processes, and accounting software is integrated, so your invoicing and returns are seamless and your records are kept up to date. To do all of this, you can speak to our accountants at Fusion CPA who specialize in e-commerce software integration. We can help you create a smooth experience for your team and your customers. Contact Fusion CPA today.